Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Jelena. I make lifestyle, cleaning, motivation, organization, anything mommy and kid related, fitness videos, DIYs, recipes, anything you can think of. And I really hope you will enjoy watching this video, and if you do, don't forget to click that subscribe button and join my YouTube family. And for all of you that you are already part of my channel, I really appreciate coming back. In today's video, I wanted to share with you how I schedule my week when it comes to house chores. We all know that when it comes to house chores, it is a never-ending story. At least it is in my house. There is never a time when I do everything and I say, okay, I'm all set for next 2 weeks. There's no such a thing. So what I do, I actually schedule my week. Every day of the week, I pick one thing to do, and by the end of the week, all the things that needed to be done are done, and I'm not overwhelmed. Now, there are weeks when I know I'm going to be super busy, either with doctor appointments or with school things or with practices that my son has. So I know I'm going to have to do a couple of things in one day, or I'm going to just leave one day to do a major cleaning, and that's okay. But for the most part, I schedule my week in ahead, knowing what I have for that week going on, and I go around that. And before we start, I just want to say, if you're not already subscribed, please do so. Click on that red subscribe button and the notification bell on as well, so you don't miss any of my future videos. Like this video and let's get started.
I wanted to give you a couple of ideas of what you can use to create your weekly schedule planner. I'm using this decorative clipboard, and I actually print out online this weekly planner. There's so many of them online that you can choose from, and I just clip it on this and change it every week. Another option is to print out a bunch of these type of weekly planners. I really like these. They're nice and colorful. And what I did, I actually printed out on both sides of the paper, and I can punch the holes on the top and put them in my binder, and that way I can have it for the whole month if I want to. But the very favorite of mine is actually this one. I received it from my friend years ago, and I still use it to this day. I don't waste paper, and I can reuse it. Actually, you can print out any design you'd like and just put it in a frame, picture frame, and you can delete if you mess something up or you want to change your plans for that week, and it is so easy. Now on to the actual chores. On Mondays, I usually have a couple of loads of laundry, mostly from the weekend, and I want to be ready for the whole week with clean clothes. Also on Mondays, I like to vacuum my floors, just because we were out and about on the weekend, and there's been a lot of going in and out, and there's always stuff on the floor. Tuesdays are usually days when I dust all my shelves and I clean off the electronics and everything that collects dust. I also like to clean my countertops really good. I clean them every day pretty much, but I like to clean them thoroughly one day a week, and in this schedule, it is Tuesday. Another thing I do that day is just clean off the appliances. Now, if there are some things that I see I have to do throughout the day, I will do it no matter what's on schedule or not, like vacuuming. I probably have to vacuum every other day. Wednesdays are usually designated for a meal prep, and I have a video about my meal prep, and I'm going to link it in the cards and in the description box down below. And I do my meal prep twice a week, so I prepare food for a few days in advance. On Thursdays, I like to clean my bathrooms, both of my bathrooms, thoroughly, and that way we're all ready for upcoming weekend. And on Fridays, I usually do anything else that I need to do before a weekend, and that is usually doing the new set of laundry. And I also like to vacuum and clean the floors really good on Fridays. Tell me in the comments down below, how do you schedule your week when it comes to chores? And also tell me, what did you like about my weekly schedule? And Saturday and Sundays are family time. We do grocery shopping and meal prep.
I really hope you all enjoyed watching this video, and I hope this video gave you an idea of what you can do to make your life a little bit easier. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends and family, and I will see you next time in my new video. Bye guys!